Welcome to USA Survival Paracord World. Survival bands for everyone. We offer 6 different types of quick-release buckles for every activity. Featured is one of our most comfortable buckles. This curved buckle is lightweight and makes a great option for everyday wear. Bands made with this buckle fit and feel like a regular watch band. It is a nice replacement to your watch original strap, so you can enjoy your favorite watch every day with an outdoor look. Whether camping or hiking, next is a straight buckle measuring 2.5 inches long, a nice option for those who prefer a simple buckle with a whistle. When hunting, fishing or just hiking, there is always some survival gear you should have with you. This is our most popular buckle, and it comes with 4 basic necessary needs. Measuring 2.5 inches long, this straight buckle comes with a fire starter, scraper and whistle, a must-have for any outdoor activity. Our next buckle is straight and measures 2.5 inches long. It features a fire starter, scraper, whistle and a compass, a nice addition to any band. This compass should not be used as a professional navigation instrument. Made for 16 to 18 millimeters lug width only, this compact buckle is curved for a comfortable fit. It measures 2 inches long and features a fire starter, scraper, whistle and a compass. This buckle is very popular with Casio G-Shock and regular Casio watch owners, also a great option for any watch with similar lug width. This compass should not be used as a professional navigation instrument. Last is our most popular buckle with the Casio Mudmaster community, especially GWG-1000 and GG-1000 G-Shock owners. This buckle is not only popular in the USA, but Australia, Netherlands, Canada, Germany, Sweden, Israel, Saudi Arabia, France, just to name a few. Measuring 2.5 inches long, this quick-release curved buckle features 13 functions: a fire starter, scraper, whistle, a compass and a thermometer, in Celsius. In addition, there is a multi-tool with 8 additional useful functions stored inside the buckle for easy access. This compass should not be used as a professional navigation instrument. We offer hundreds of color combinations with these buckles. You can also build your own band. Choose over 45 paracord colors with any buckle. Your color, your buckle, your way. Visit our store to build your band today. USA Survival Paracord World, customized survival bands made in USA, one customer at a time.